catching food in mid-air is part of their courtship display. So the male hornbill will catch a food in mid-air to impress the female hornbill. And so as you can see, Bill here has a heart-like structure. At the top of its head, it is called a casque. So that casque will help them amplify their calls and for them to be noticed in the dense forest here in the Philippines. So a round of applause to our... But wait, here's more. Here comes the partner of shadow, cloud. So prominent height is the white plumage from its head down to its other parts, and the rest of its colors are striking chestnut brown. So it's not just live brains and stills from fish and also hunting birds. That is why they are called a snatching brain slide. But wait, there's more. Here comes the partner of silver, Marina. So white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the sea. It has a white plumage from its head down to its other parts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. Now this type of raptor can grow for up to 75 to 85 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. They can be found in the skies of Australia, Sri Lanka, India, Tasmania, and Southeast Asia. So a round of applause to our white-bellied